you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Of course, as soon as I got the camera out, it got breezy again, and I'm trying not to get horrible wind noise like we did last video. But we're gonna do a quick oil change on the Bug and throw a new belt on it and get it ready for the sideshow box tonight. And then we're going to go check some stuff out, watch some events, and party, and we'll bring you guys along with us. So let's dive right into that. This jacket is so dead.
It looks,
the amount of bearing material is not ideal. Just a sec. Where's a paper towel? Yeah, that's a lot of bearing material, my guys.
What's happening? Let us know what that is. We'll make it happen.
I need something to hit with. Oh yeah. Oh no. No.
I don't want to ask.
Wrong oil filter. Nope, look at that inlet size.
No.
It's super windy, but Blueprint engines came in clutch. They let me spin a filter off one of their display engines. We're gonna see if it fits. If it does, we're taking this to the show and shine. We're actually gonna take it over to their booth and give a shout out, take a picture in front of it, because they're freaking awesome, guys. The guy's like, yeah, just spin one off one of the engines. I'm like, dude, you're saving my bacon. Oh, wait. No! How is that a thing? What? It's the wrong size. It's too big.
Too big?
How is that even possible? I can't believe there's that many different freaking sizes. All right, well, we're gonna mob to the parts store because I just realized I was like, oh, we don't have anything going until 5. It doesn't matter. But today is the crowd day and the show and shine's packed. And I didn't want to get this in there, so we're gonna mob. We just ran to AutoZone. We're the worst vloggers ever. We didn't get any video, but we got a PF46E. So, Blueprint engines. We're gonna go over there. They're freaking awesome. They gave us an oil filter. It happened to not be the right one, but they were willing and they're awesome. So shout out to them. But it was like, it's sitting at negative for whatever reason, it was like -2. It was like nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like, you got like 40 PSI.
Nice. That thing of oil. Yeah, do you like oil pressure?
Yeah, this is Burnout, so I'm, hey, good. You guys freaking featured me.
This thing's pretty rowdy.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate it. Dude, I'm so, hey, thank you. I saw the feature yesterday. I was like, no way. Dream come true.
Are you guys going to do some more burnouts?
So, they won't let me into the second Cruising cars because there's such a huge demand on the first one. So tonight at 5, I'm getting into the donut pit.
They're just scared.
Dude, I'm.
That was one of the best ones yesterday.
That's what I said.
So,
Like, this one and the Mini Cooper were amazing. The wagon did good, but like, I
So
don't
the crowd cheered loud. Like, I'm not trying to be biased.
I
Like,
know. I was there, dog. I was cheering.
he did better on the show side of like going around and drifting a little bit, but
Really, the smokes
can't
were
beat
making
this.
I don't
clouds.
know. But I don't care. I'm so grateful I podium. I'm like, I'm just happy.
It was dope. Okay, so you said 5 p.m.
5 to 8 is I know 5 to 8 is what the second donut pit is scheduled for.
Are you doing drag racing too?
No, those are. I'm not caged yet. I'm not quite ready to race. So that's more for the show and shine. That's why I run regularly on the street. But
I was like, you're gonna do burnout filters. Right. Yeah.
I didn't get to see it. He saw it. He's like, dude, that thing did a fucking awesome burnout. I was like, well, we're gonna talk to him tomorrow. So.
Dude, this is so cool. I got
right?
a YouTube channel and like freaking talking to 1320 video right now, guys. This is dreams are happening.
All you have to do is build cool shit, and we'll come talk to you. That's all you guys gotta do. So
I've been trying.
Instagram then?
Yeah. So actually, just updated my website. Dude, I don't have my phone on me. Yeah. So we get it right. We change the name. Is this real life? Here, can you hold that? It's just like that. Probably. Dude, I am like, I'm shook right now. I'm shooketh. We gotta run to the car, get my phone, and then I can't even freaking focus right now. 1320 videos talking to me, and we got, oh man, we get featured, and they're ready. They want the smoke. They're ready for another one. Video just talking to me.
They just followed you on Instagram.
Yeah, imagine. We like just build cool stuff and you know, we'll come talk to you. I'm like, I've been trying for 3 years. Alright. We'll see you guys at the show and shine. We're in front of Blueprint Engines right now. They went to us an oil filter. It didn't happen to be the right one, but they're super awesome guys. I just wanted to give them a shout out because they tried to help get the Beetle back in. They're awesome. We're gonna be in the donut pit tonight at 5. Heck yeah. Alrighty guys, today has been absolutely crazy. I've gotten seriously almost no footage, but we are in line at the donut box Saturday night. I got 1320 videos coming to put freaking GoPros in my car. This is insane. So we're in line. We're gonna go up there. We're gonna absolutely send it. But yeah, so I'm really sorry I didn't record much. It was more of a hangout day with the family. But we are going to absolutely send it tonight. We out here, boys. John's helping me push it. He showed up, brought me GoPro battery to other GoPro. We're freaking sending it, bud. We got 1320 videos GoPro up there, in there, and we're gonna freaking go ham. I can't even.
And I got the gimbal, so we gonna get some good roller footage coming out of that smoke.
Oh yeah. 1320. Heck yeah. my ribs. Oh yeah, good. We freaking sent it. Blue Bolt tires, put it on the rims. Heck yeah. Q1 temp hit 190, that's it. The thing is a freaking ripper. We are set. We'll be back out. I'm gonna watch the rest, hang out with family and everything. We'll freaking see you later. Courtesy towing if we completely sent it? I'm just joking, in the pits. I was just making a joke. No, I got dirt. I got dirt in my ribs. Oh yeah, good. We freaking sent it. Blue Bolt tires, put it on the rims. Heck yeah. Q1 temp hit 190, that's it. The thing is a freaking ripper. We are set. We'll be back out. I'm gonna watch the rest, hang out with family and everything. We'll freaking see you later.